Hi there, welcome to the Good Food Baddie channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make loaded carne asada polenta fries. So I'm going to start with a package of pre-cooked polenta and cut it into thirds. Now I'm going to cut the polenta into fry-shaped pieces. This is what each piece should look like. Now I'm going to get my garlic herb mixture and coat each of the polenta fries in the mixture, making sure all sides are evenly coated. Now I'm going to transfer the polenta fries to the oven for about 35 minutes or until they're golden brown. And this is what they should look like when they're done baking. And now I'm going to prepare the carne asada steak, cooking it for 3 to 5 minutes on each side. The carne asada is done and looks amazing, and now I'm going to slice it. And I'm just going to show you a close-up here so you can see all of that flavor. Now I'm going to prepare my loaded carne asada polenta fries, starting with the polenta fries as the base. And now I'm adding black beans. Now I'm adding the carne asada. I'm finishing with salsa and avocado, some fresh parsley, cilantro, and black pepper. You can add as many toppings as you'd like. This is perfect for brunch, for a game day appetizer, or if you simply want a filling, delicious meal. The full recipe is on my website at goodfoodbaddie.com and is also linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you try this recipe, let me know what you think in the comments below.